Hi guys, today I will explain how to cancel 11 Labs subscription. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open the Google Chrome or any other browser which you are using in your computer. And the next thing is head over to your application, just like me. And this one is the main interface of 11 Labs. And now time to cancel the subscription. For this, take a look on the left bottom, you will see your account. Click on this arrow, and on the third number you can see the option of subscription. Click on it. Now scroll down, and here are all the plans and subscriptions. This one is free, this one is Starter, Creator, and Pro. And if you scroll down more, this one is Scale and this one is for Business. Let's scroll up a bit and you can see my plan. And here you can see the option of Cancel Subscription. If you want to cancel your subscription, then click on this option. Then your subscription will be canceled on 11 Labs. If you want to use 11 Labs yourself, click down the link in the subscription to help support our channel. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.